This is Madison College Writing Center's 2-Minute Tutors. I'm Kate Stover.
And I'm Suzanne Treiber, and today we will answer the question, when can a writer use a colon and a semicolon?
In about 2 minutes, we're going to discuss the biggest challenges with colons and semicolons.
Okay, so here's the rule for colons. Use a colon to link a sentence to additional information, such as a list.
Here's an example. The sentence is, there are 3 common style guides. The list is APA, MLA, and Chicago.
That's right. The first part is a sentence, and the second part adds additional information.
Let's look at an example of the most common mistake we see students make. work, study, and sleep. That's wrong, because the colon has to link a sentence to additional information, and there isn't a sentence here. So how can you fix that, Suzanne?
Sure, you have 2 choices, actually. Either delete the colon, like you see in the first sentence, or make sure there is a sentence that is linked to additional information, like in the second example.
Now, with semicolons, on the other hand, both parts have to be sentences.
That's right. That's what we have with this example. The first sentence is, many college students are sleep deprived. The second sentence is, researchers tell us that this impacts their ability to learn.
Both parts are sentences, and we could put a period between them, but we're choosing to join them with a semicolon because their information is related.
Okay, so it's time to practice. Pause this video and decide if you should use a colon or a semicolon in the sentences you see on your screen.
Here are the answers. I'm taking 3 classes is a sentence. A psychology class, a history class, and a math class is a list that provides additional information, so we join the sentence and the list using a colon.
Right. Now the second statement includes 2 sentences. I was working too much is a sentence. I didn't have time to study is also a sentence. The writer chose to join them with a semicolon instead of using a period.
So it comes down to this. The colon links a sentence to additional information. The semicolon joins 2 sentences.
Want to discuss other ways to use colons and semicolons? Why not talk to a tutor at your nearest writing center? We'd be delighted to help.
Well, it looks like our work here is done, Suzanne.
Right on, Kate.
Right on, Suzanne, and thank you all for joining us.